Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up your settings right over here, and from there we're gonna scroll down to System. There's Reset Options, right? Whoops. Reset Options. Erase all data, factory reset, and from here it does give you a message that performing this will remove all the data, so you can either disregard it or you can back up your device. Whichever you choose, you can then proceed by tapping erase all data, once again by tapping erase everything, and this will begin the process. Now reset of this device is relatively quick. It takes, I believe, like below a minute, so I'm just gonna let it run and come back once it's finished. And as you can see, it is already finished. So that is how you reset your device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.